So hey guys, in today's video we'll download Python with the help of Microsoft Store. So just go to Windows, search and look for Microsoft Store. Just click on it and search Python. Make sure to get the latest version of Python. In my case, as you can see, it's Python 3.12. Just click on Get. The download has started. After the completion of download, just go to Windows search and type Python. It will open the Python terminal. As you can see, we are getting hello world, so there is no issue. I hope I was able to help you.